ಇಹುದೋ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ ತಿಳಿಯಗೊಡದುಂದು ವಸ್ತು ನಿಜ ಮಹಿಮೆಯಿಂ ಜಗವಾಗಿ ಜೀವವೇಷದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಹರಿಪುದದೊಳ್ಳಿತೆಂಬುದು ನಿಸದವಾದುಡ ಗಹನ ತತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಶರಣು ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ ಗಹನ ತತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಶರಣೋ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. Namaste. I am back with the third verse of the Mankutimana Kagga. The English translation of this verse would be: if it is established that the highest truth appears as the beautiful world of living and non-living beings by its own merit and is beyond our consciousness, bow down to that absolute. The above three stanzas, the first, second, and the third verse now, which I have sung, you can go back to the first and the second verses which I have uploaded previously. So, Dr. L. Umadevi, who has translated these verses to English, says that the above three stanzas refer to the creator of the universe who is beyond perception but known only by its effects. Obeisance is to be offered to that absolute which is unfathomable by human beings. Thank you.